Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the location of your cache folder in DaVinci Resolve. This is particularly useful if you're running low on storage space on your primary drive, or if you want to store cache files on a faster SSD for better performance during editing. First things first, go ahead and open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it launches and you're in your workspace, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here, you'll want to click on File. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options related to your project management and settings. From this menu, locate and click on Project Settings. This is where all the important configurations for your current project live, and it's exactly where we need to be to make this change. After clicking Project Settings, a new window will pop up displaying various configuration options. On the left side of this window, you'll see a list of different setting categories. Make sure you are on Master Settings. This tab contains the core settings that affect how your project operates, including where files are stored and how the application handles certain processes. Now scroll down through the Master Settings options until you find a section called Working Folders. This section is crucial because it determines where DaVinci Resolve stores temporary files, cache data, and other project-related content that helps speed up your workflow. The Working Folders section is essentially the control center for managing where all these behind-the-scenes files live on your computer. Under the Working Folders section, you can see an option labeled Cache Files Location. This is exactly what we're looking for. Next to this label, you'll notice a Browse button. Click the Browse beside it to open a File Explorer window. This allows you to navigate through your computer's directory structure and select a new destination for your cache files. Take your time here and choose a location that makes sense for your setup, whether that's an external drive, a secondary SSD, or simply a different folder on your main drive with more available space. Once you've selected your desired location through the file browser, you'll need to confirm the change. Click Save to apply this new cache file location. DaVinci Resolve will now store all future cache files in the location you've specified, helping you manage your storage more efficiently and potentially improving your editing performance. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed where DaVinci Resolve stores its cache files, giving you better control over your storage management. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.